unlike TikTok, Meta has collaborated with independent third-party fact checkers, which were certified by International Fact-Checking Network, IFCN. IFCN certified organizations include Verifiles, Press One, Agence France Presse, kagaya ng sinabi mo, Rappler, Minda News, and ABS-CBN. Ito yung problema, Mr. Chair. Yung iba kasing mga fact checkers, mga napopoliticize eh. Kamukha ng ABS-CBN. Palagi na lang akong binabanatan yan dahil sa nangyari sa hindi pagkaka-renew ng kanilang franchise back in 2020. Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin sila makamove on. So kung I'm sorry, Yusek Ilagan, alam kong malaki rin ang kaugnayan mo sa ABS-CBN, but that's what the 18th Congress judgment was on account of several violations na hanggang ngayon ayaw nilang aminin. But so, kung meron kayong fact checker na hindi naman siya talagang magiging neutral and it cannot be as objective as may it wants to be. Ito yung nagiging problema natin, Mr. Sana po, yung mga fact checker sana ay maging impartial, maging objective to the kind of obligation that they have professed to undertake. Tama-tama naman yung sinabi ni Ms. Mendoza, Mr. Chair. Although nakakalungkot, ay hindi pa talaga natin magagawa ang ilan sa mga bagay na pinanggit niya. Pero totoo lahat, dapat ganun ang gawin natin. But as we speak, talagang ideally, hindi pa rin natin magagawa. So sa ngayon, ay aminin man natin at hindi, talagang nandyan pa rin ang mga fake news. At sana madaliin nga natin, sa dami nating nag-uusap ngayon, kung magawa nating mapadali, halimbawa, in 2 weeks time, medyo nakapag-take down tayo ng mas marami-rami, Mr. Chair. Unti-unti lang, pero pagdating ng araw siguro, napugnaw na nating lahat, Mr. Chair. Thank you.